Basic math tutorials here. In today's video, we are going to learn about combined operations on integers. These are the important things we have to remember when we are dealing with combined operations and integers. First, we have to work out on the calculations within the brackets first. Second, perform the multiplication or division working from left to right. And lastly, perform the addition or subtraction working from left to right. Okay, let's start. Examples 1. Negative 234 plus 56 minus 23. As you can see, we don't have multiplication, division, or brackets. So we'll just work on it from left to right. So we start with negative 234 plus 56 and minus 23. So that's going to be negative 178 minus 23. And next, we'll just work on it, continuing. Since both are negative, so it's going to be 201. Very good. Now let's go to the second example. 20 times 8 divided by negative 4. So as you can see, we have a bracket here, a parenthesis rather, but it is just to serve as a notation that this number is negative. So what we are going, oh look, we just have multiplication and division. Just remember that we have to work on it from left to right. So we start with 20 times 8, which is gonna be what? 160 divided by negative 4. And 160 divided by negative 4 is negative 40. Great. Let's proceed to more examples. Look, so we have minus negative 3 times 8 plus 25. So we have an inclusion, which is a parenthesis. We have to deal with that first. So negative and minus will become positive. So it's going to be positive 3 times 8 plus 25. So first, we have multiplication. We have to deal with that first. So 3 times 8 is going to be 24 plus 25. And the final answer will be 49. Good. Now let's proceed to number 4. Given 18 minus open bracket negative 5 minus open parentheses negative 9 close parentheses close bracket times negative 2. We have a bracket here, so we have to deal with that first. So just copy 18 first and then minus whatever is the content of the inside. So that's why we have 18 minus open bracket negative 5 minus a negative there becomes plus 9 close bracket times negative 2. Continuing on, we still have a bracket. We have to deal with that, which is negative 5 plus 9. So we just have to combine that too. So it's going to be 18 minus 4 times negative 2. And remember, we have a multiplication here. So that means we have to do the subtraction later after this multiplication. So it's going to be 18 minus 4 times negative 2 is 18 minus negative 8. And after that, 18 minus negative 8 equals 26. Okay. Now let's go for the challenge. You can pause the video and try it yourself if you want. Okay, so first problem is 74 minus 18 divided by 2. As you can see, we have subtraction and division. So which one do we have to deal first? The division, of course. So 18 divided by 2, that's going to be 9. It's going to be 74 minus 9, which is 65. Great. Now let's go to the second challenge. 30 minus open bracket negative 21 minus open parentheses negative 3 close parentheses times open parentheses negative 4 close parentheses close bracket. Which one do we have to deal first? Of course, those inside the brackets, but first the multiplication. Okay, so copying everything and doing the multiplication there, we are given 30 minus negative 21 minus negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. That's why we have positive 12 there. And moving on, we have to simplify this inside the bracket. So 30 minus negative 31 giving us the final answer, 63. That's it. Thank you very much.